Hey guys, I just received my DJI SPARK, so I'm very excited. Let's open this bad boy up. It's about 18, 19 months after it was launched, and I'm just getting mine now, so better late than never. I found this one online for a very decent price, so I just decided to seize the opportunity. So let me open this up and let's see what's inside. Yep, some people say this is a toy, some people say the camera is good, 1080p, and we will be testing this out and and have some fun with it. Let's put this paper aside. Oh yeah, look at this, look at this. This is what I'm talking about. The DJI SPARK, brand new, still in the plastic wrap. Very nice, very nice. Oh yeah, I always like to give a visual, get a good visual perspective of the box before I cut it open. Let's cut this now open. Peel off the plastic wrap. I can't wait to fly this. I've been really longing to fly this, and it's finally going to happen. You got a little seal there. Let me cut the seal off. Okay, open it up. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Another little box. Let's find out what's in this little box first. The packaging looks very classy. It's really good, nicely protected. Let's see what's in here. Micro USB. Okay, the manual. Actually, it has 3 of them. We will delve into this later on. One quick advice: always make sure you read your manual, study your product, study your drone. Make sure you know every little facet about it. That way you can enjoy it and enjoy it to the fullest. Okay, this is the wall piece. Nice. Let me open this cord. Okay. All right. Let's go to the main part of the of the show. Really nice, classy little box. Dun. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. What's in here? Looks like it's some spare prop. Let's see, it has 2 of them inside. Good. Hopefully we will not be needing this. We will not be crashing this drone anytime soon. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Feels classy. Really nice. We got all the battery, the back part of the battery. That should be used for charging under there. And up front we got the gimbal, we got the vision sensor. Pretty nice, pretty decent. Yeah, I can't wait to fly this and see for myself. I've read a lot about it, seen a lot of videos about it, but now is the time. The gimbal looks pretty decent. battery slides off. And slides back in pretty decently. Yeah, there we go. So can't wait to test it out and make some exciting videos for you guys, and make some tutorials on the various features, and just enjoy it, enjoy everything. And please guys, if you have any questions, if there's anything that you want me to do, just you know what to do, just leave a comment below. Please subscribe, give me your views, your perspective. If you have one, just let me know, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you.